Welcome to Learn Karaoke.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth every morning, every night. Keep them shiny, clean and bright. Make your smile so nice and white. Brush up high, brush down low, in little circles, nice and slow. Round and round, here we go. Keep them clean and watch them glow. Don't forget the ones in back. Give each tooth a scrub, a dub with your brush and some paste. Make those germs go to waste. Morning, night, and after treats. Brushing keeps your teeth so neat. Healthy gums and pearly whites. Brush your teeth with all your might. Brush the left and brush the right. Morning, evening, that's just right. Top to bottom, every side. Brushing fills you up with pride. A little toothpaste, not too much. Squeeze a dot, just a touch. Foamy bubbles as you brush. Rinse and spit, now there's no rush. Gums and tongue need love too. Brushing there is good for you. Fresh breath in the morning light. Brush your teeth with all your might. Toothbrush time is lots of fun. Every tooth, one by one. Friends and family say hooray for a bright smile every day.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.